यार हमारा बेसिकली आइडिया ये था कि हम लोगों को अच्छा खाना दें, उनको अच्छी सर्विस दें और एक अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट दें जहाँ पे लोग अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ आएँ, बैठें, अच्छी कॉफ़ी पिएँ, अच्छा खाना खाएँ। हमारा जी कुज़ीन इटालियन है, फ्रेंच है, उसके बाद कॉन्टिनेंटल है,
अच्छा।
उसके बाद उसके अलावा हमारे पास बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिसमें केक्स हैं, पेस्ट्रीज़, ब्राउनीज़, कुकीज़ वो हैं और हमारे पास काफ़ी अच्छी कॉफ़ी भी है।
अच्छा।
तो जितने अच्छे कॉफ़ी लवर्स उनको मैं यही कहूँगा कि आप लोग आएँ, हमारी कॉफ़ी ट्राई करें, हमारा
Definitely.
खाना खाएँ।
रेस को जब जब मुझे मुनीम ने कहा कि हमने रेस से ही ओपनिंग करानी तो आई थॉट दिस वाज द इट्स प्रॉब्ली द बेस्ट रेड कार्पेट लॉन्च इन द सिटी
Perfect guy,
या सो आई थिंक रेस ने और चार चांद लगा दिए बाय हैविंग टू लॉन्च द इवेंट एंड आई थिंक द कॉन्सेप्ट व्हिच वाज बेसिकली लाउंजी we tried के वो lounge effect रहे people will come in casually sit enjoy the great food that they're offering a little bit of fine dining तो I think उस concept पे we designed I think from the tables to the interior ambience everything so everything was done by us. It was a lovely experience.
Today when I walked in and I saw the place, firstly it's brilliantly done up because there's not those uncomfortable kursi maze where you have to sit and try and use the churi kanta and eat and all of that. It's very loungy, like it says lounge and restaurants. It's actually very loungy. They've got fabulous sofas and nice, very comfortable soft music happening and a lovely bar and all of that. So I think all of you who are watching us right now should really come and have an evening out at Zafranos. It's absolutely fantastic.
Zafrano is another addition into Islamabad's many eating hangouts, and I think Mr. Muneeb Zahid has done a wonderful work. And the entire concept of this new cafe and lounge, it's really good. The entire restaurant is very international. They've got excellent food, which I would say that it's you can match it to any international standard. And I think that Islamabad is now definitely and for sure picking up like Karachi and Lahore, and there are more and more places opening up, and I hope people come and appreciate the lovely food and the ambience at Zafranos.
फूड इज़ डिलिशियस और मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रही बिकॉज मैं ओनर की फैन से हूँ
biased
बट
नहीं हो रही,
एग्जैक्टली बट ये वाकई द फूड इज़ रियली वेरी डिलिशियस डू ट्राई द चीज़ केक इट्स यम्मी एवरी वन शुड कम एंड ट्राई है वंस इन अ वाइल इट्स अ वेरी गुड रेस्टोरेंट
It's a very positive addition, I must say, because I'm basically from Lahore, and I've practically been to every other restaurant there.
about food more than
Yeah,
anyone of us.
and I've been missing such a place in Islamabad.
I think it's really great, and personally, generally, I really like the place and the food, and I would recommend my friends and the other people to come and check it out because I really love it.
Opening of such types of restaurants with modern outlook and the people around here, it looks fantastic, and I think the owner will earn a lot, and lots of Zafrano outlets and chains will be, I think I see them in near future.
Islamabad is really putting up as far as restaurants are concerned, and it's a lovely place. I suggest everyone to come and have a look, and it has a lounge effect which is really rare in Pakistan. So I really liked it.
Now we have a variety of places to go to and have a good time. And the good part of Islamabad is the restaurants is that most of them, like in Saidpur village or other places, have good view also.
Well, it's a good addition, and I think since Islamabad is, quite famous as a dead city, so acha hai, it's a new change here, and I think the opening so far is really good. And I have to go and check out the food as yet, but acha hai, it's nice.
Oh,
Actually, I think it's wonderful. First of all, Islamabad needed a place like this, and especially this side of Islamabad, F11. We haven't had a place like this here for a very long time. I've tried some of the knickknacks, they're lovely, the drinks are amazing, and most of all, the ambience of the place, the interiors are out of this world.
I think this is a good addition to the food culture of Islamabad, and it is first of its kind, and the Italian cuisine that they will be serving, I hope it's delicious.
Saffron is again a new addition. Beautifully interior, and the beautiful opening.
I'm sure this is the good place, and he must have done a great job, and we would enjoy the cooking and everything.